Everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use the little plastic canvas that came in the ELC package that you got to make some lacing artwork. So you can use whatever you have in your house that works like a string. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use a pipe cleaner. You can also use yarn. You can use like string, or you can even use the ribbon from like present wrapping. So for the yarn, because the thickness is a little bit thicker than the hole, what you want to do is put some tape on the tip of it. So I'm going to demonstrate with this smaller string how to do that. So you're going to get a little bit of tape. You just need a little one, not too big. You want to make sure that the end is twisted so it's not frayed. And you're going to put the string on the tape, and you're just going to roll it up. Rather than having to go out and buy expensive shoelace string, you can make your own just using a piece of tape. Make sure all the ends are nice and tight. You want to trim off the little tip so it's very straight. And now you're ready to lace your canvas. So your kids can put any colored string or yarn into it. You just go back and forth in and out of the hole, and they can see what kind of designs they make. Okay, so that's the string. And even if you use something thicker like a yarn, I just have this giant ball of yarn. It works the same way. You put a little bit of tape at the tip, and then it will fit through the holes. So this is a great fine motor skill and hand-eye coordination, and at the same time, they can make their own kind of artwork with it. For the ribbon, because the ribbon's width is a little bit thicker, what you're going to want to do is take the end of it and then fold it in half. So you can see that it is now folded in half. Now you can tape it, or because the ribbons are more sturdy than yarn or string, you can actually just put it through it too without doing anything. The other thing I want to show you is you can also use the pipe cleaners. These can be bought anywhere, and especially for the young toddlers, because the pipe cleaners are a little bit more firm and they're not floppy like a string is, it's a little bit easier for them to grasp it and push it through because they don't have to hold the tip as much. They can just hold it from anywhere and do it. So you can have them go in and out any way they want. If you have multiple colors, you can have them use different colors and see what kind of designs they can make. So that's a way you can do artwork with a plastic canvas. If you don't plan on doing the other experiments with the canvas, you can also cut them into smaller parts. My camera is trying to refocus. There we go. So the canvas you're getting is probably going to be about half this size. So if you want, you can also just cut them into smaller squares or rectangles and have your child just lace it once through and then into the next one. Like then they can just put it together in different ones. You can loop them and make loops, or you can just use use the whole piece of canvas. It's up to you how you want to do your art. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye.